Don't let the tiny size of the hummingbird fool you. The nests of the ruby-throated hummingbird may be no bigger than a bottle cap. Yet they are engineering marvels that would make any architect bow in admiration. With a body barely heavier than a coin, the female tirelessly builds a miniature nest that is perfect down to the smallest detail. Shaped like a tiny cup, the nest is woven from soft moss, plant fibers, and most importantly, spider silk, nature's own glue, giving the nest remarkable elasticity. Thanks to this design, the nest can expand day by day as the chicks inside grow. Outside, it is camouflaged with moss, lichen, and bits of bark, blending seamlessly into the surrounding branches. Warm, soft, and almost invisible to predators. While the hummingbird darts through the air like a living arrow, its nest remains serene, delicate, and utterly secure. A smart little home with the incredible ability to both grow and vanish into nature. Great hornbill, the stalwart guardian of the rainforest.